low, and it is now up for auction. It's probably the rarest piano in the world, and as you can see, it's in great condition. There is nothing wrong with it at all. It needs a little bit of attention, tuning and probably cleaning, but basically it is in fantastic condition. And if you'd like to bid on this wonderful item, it's a multimillionaire's toy. It's probably the rarest piano in the world today, and will be auctioned through YouTube now and all over the world, so you're bidding against the whole of the world, so please bear that in mind. Please pass this on to anybody you feel could be interested in owning this very, very, very rare piano from a collection that has never been found before. This is Florence Nightingale's piano, guaranteed. I have all the provenance from the company, John Boardwood and Sons, to prove it, and it has every detail on. I'm not going to show that here because somebody might try and forge the document and try to sell their piano, which is similar. So here is the number. Oh no, it shouldn't show that, sorry. Not going to show the number, might be forged. Right, so place your bids. Thank you very much, Miss Florence Nightingale.